Your kidneys work silently every single day to remove toxins and balance fluids inside your body. These two small organs filter nearly 50 gallons of blood daily, removing waste and harmful substances. But when kidneys become overloaded with toxins, they may struggle to perform their essential functions. This can lead to fatigue, swelling, poor concentration, and even long-term health complications. Many people believe kidney health depends only on medications or complicated detox programs. However, certain everyday foods may actually support kidney function naturally. One surprising food that may help the kidneys is something many people already eat regularly. Potatoes contain nutrients that help balance electrolytes and support healthy fluid regulation. They also provide antioxidants and fiber that may help the body remove waste more efficiently, but not every type of potato provides the same nutritional benefits. Different potato varieties contain different levels of potassium, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds. Choosing the right potato types may support kidney detox and help reduce toxin buildup. In today's video, you will discover 4 types of potatoes that may help flush out toxins and support kidney repair. One of these potatoes contains powerful antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage. Stay until the end, because the final potato may be the most beneficial for kidney health. Kidneys are essential organs responsible for maintaining balance inside the body. They filter waste products from the bloodstream and remove them through urine. Kidneys also regulate blood pressure, electrolyte levels, and fluid balance. When kidney function becomes weak, toxins may accumulate in the bloodstream. This buildup may cause fatigue, swelling, and other uncomfortable symptoms. Diet plays a major role in supporting kidney health and reducing the toxin load. Certain foods contain nutrients that support detox processes and improve circulation to the kidneys. Potatoes are often misunderstood and sometimes unfairly labeled as unhealthy foods. In reality, potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber that support overall health. Some varieties also contain powerful plant compounds that help reduce inflammation. Lower inflammation may help protect kidney tissues from long-term damage. However, preparation methods matter when consuming potatoes for health benefits. Baking or steaming potatoes is much healthier than deep frying them. In this video, you will learn about 4 types of potatoes that may help flush toxins and support kidney health naturally. Let's begin with a colorful potato that is packed with antioxidants. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the most nutritious foods that support overall health and kidney function. They contain powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress can damage kidney tissues over time and reduce their ability to filter toxins. Sweet potatoes are especially rich in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene converts into vitamin A inside the body and supports healthy immune function. A strong immune system helps the body fight infections that may affect kidney health. Sweet potatoes also contain dietary fiber that supports healthy digestion. Healthy digestion may reduce toxin buildup in the body and lighten the workload for the kidneys. Another important nutrient in sweet potatoes is potassium. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and maintain proper electrolyte levels. Balanced electrolytes are essential for healthy kidney filtration and circulation. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin C, which supports tissue repair and antioxidant protection. Baked sweet potatoes are a simple and nutritious addition to many meals. Roasting them with minimal salt preserves their natural flavor and health benefits. Have you ever included sweet potatoes regularly in your diet for better health? Many people are surprised how nutritious and satisfying they can be. 2. Red potatoes. Red potatoes are another excellent option for supporting kidney health and natural detox processes. These potatoes contain antioxidants that help protect cells from harmful free radicals. Free radicals can damage kidney tissues and contribute to inflammation over time. Red potatoes also contain vitamin C, which supports immune health and tissue repair. Healthy tissues are better able to maintain proper kidney filtration functions. Another benefit of red potatoes is their relatively thin skin. The skin contains many beneficial nutrients and fiber. Fiber helps support digestion and may help remove waste products from the body. Red potatoes also contain potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance. Proper fluid balance allows kidneys to filter toxins more effectively. Unlike processed snacks, red potatoes are naturally low in fat and cholesterol. This makes them a heart-friendly food that also supports circulation to the kidneys. Good blood circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to kidney tissues. Steaming or roasting red potatoes preserves most of their nutrients. Adding herbs instead of heavy salt can make them even healthier. Have you ever tried red potatoes as part of a balanced, kidney-friendly meal? If you are learning useful ways to support kidney health naturally through everyday foods, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more simple health tips every week. Our goal is helping you discover natural foods that support detox and long-term wellness. Also, comment below and tell us which type of potato you eat most often at home. Your comment may help others discover new healthy foods for kidney support. Now let's continue with another potato variety that contains powerful plant nutrients. 3. Purple potatoes. Purple potatoes are one of the most antioxidant-rich potato varieties available. Their deep purple color comes from plant compounds called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage. This protection may help reduce inflammation in blood vessels and kidney tissues. Healthy blood vessels improve circulation to the kidneys. Better circulation allows kidneys to receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. Purple potatoes also contain fiber that supports digestive health. When digestion functions properly, fewer toxins may accumulate inside the body. Another benefit of purple potatoes is their potential effect on blood pressure. Some research suggests anthocyanins may help support healthy blood pressure levels. Healthy blood pressure is extremely important for protecting kidney function. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage worldwide. Purple potatoes also contain vitamin C and potassium that support overall health. These nutrients help maintain electrolyte balance and cellular repair. Roasting or steaming purple potatoes preserves their natural color and nutritional value. Have you ever tried purple potatoes before or seen them in your local grocery store? Many people enjoy their unique color and slightly nutty flavor. 4. Yukon Gold potatoes. Yukon Gold potatoes are another nutritious variety that can support kidney health. They are known for their smooth texture and naturally rich flavor. Yukon Gold potatoes contain vitamin B6, which supports energy metabolism inside cells. Healthy energy production helps organs function efficiently, including the kidneys. They also provide vitamin C that helps protect tissues from oxidative damage. Antioxidants like vitamin C may help support healthy kidney cells. Yukon Gold potatoes also contain moderate amounts of potassium. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and supports normal muscle function. Proper fluid balance allows kidneys to perform filtration more effectively. Another benefit of Yukon Gold potatoes is their natural fiber content. Fiber supports healthy digestion and may reduce toxin buildup in the body. This helps reduce the burden placed on the kidneys. When prepared with healthy cooking methods, they can be part of a balanced diet. Baked Yukon Gold potatoes with herbs can be both nutritious and delicious. Avoiding heavy salt or fried preparation methods keeps them kidney-friendly. Have you tried Yukon Gold potatoes as part of your regular meals? They may be one of the easiest ways to enjoy potatoes while supporting kidney health. Conclusion: your kidneys work constantly to filter toxins and maintain balance inside your body. Supporting kidney health through proper nutrition can help reduce stress on these vital organs. Certain foods contain nutrients that support detox processes and protect kidney tissues. Sweet potatoes provide antioxidants and fiber that help reduce inflammation and support digestion. Red potatoes offer vitamin C and potassium that help maintain proper fluid balance. Purple potatoes contain anthocyanins that support circulation and protect kidney cells from damage. Yukon Gold potatoes provide vitamins and minerals that help support energy production and filtration processes. Choosing healthy cooking methods like baking or steaming helps preserve these benefits. Avoiding fried potatoes and excessive salt is also important for kidney health. Balanced nutrition, hydration, and healthy lifestyle habits support long-term kidney function. Small dietary changes can make a powerful difference in protecting your kidneys. If you want to discover more foods that help detox your kidneys naturally, watch the next video on your screen about foods that naturally cleanse and repair your kidneys. Your body has an incredible ability to heal when you provide it with the right nutrients.